Hi everyone. Today we are discussing about a number using pyramid. First of all, we take one package. First we import package. Import Java. Take a class. Import pattern. Import pattern. Okay. First we take one method. This we initialize n variable n. After in this int value like two variables I and j and j. We're done. After initializing, take one loop for loop I equal to 0 when I less than equal to 1. No, then I plus plus. Then take another for loop for j equal to 1, j is less than equal to I, j plus plus. Okay, for this loop print j system dot out dot print ln for this print j. Okay, take yeah, there is no print line for next next line here. Then for this for loop print system dot out dot print ln. Done. After creating this one, we call function public static void main string aux. String aux. We done this. After initialize the value int n is equal to 10. Okay, we take numbers as 10 like vb of n. Done. The calling value is completed. First we run this program. What will happen? Done.